Hello, I'm down here, David Brown, Berkeley Nucleonics. Glad you're here. You've just picked up your 525, the all-new 6-channel USB digital delay generator. Probably looks a little bit like this. Plugged into USB, powered up by your computer only. Excellent value, convenient product, good channel count, great performance. You're ready to roll. But you're not ready to roll because you don't have the software. So I'm going to show you where to go. On our website, you can see here the main homepage, Berkeley Nucleonics. Go to Products, and then go to Test and Measurement. And the very first section here is our pulse and delay generator section. And the second model down is the 525. It's our 6-channel digital delay pulse generator. Great product. Outputs are on the back. And as you scroll down, you will see below a little bit of detail on the product, some performance specs, a section called Software, Firmware, and Drivers, and 525 software. Now when you click on that, it'll open a local folder. I'll show you what's in that folder. When you open it locally, it looks like this. It's got a latest manual and the driver. You can drag that driver to your desktop if you like, or application rather, or just open it right from the folder. Once you pop that thing open, you will have a GUI to your product. Now this GUI covers all the basic operation. The top half is the system settings. The bottom half are the channel features. You see here channel A, B, C, D, E, and F. For each channel you can enable or disable, set your properties, a delay and width for each channel off of your trigger. An amplitude is variable for each channel, the mode, the burst count, weight count, sync source, polarity, multiplex. Now multiplex allows you to put multiple outputs on a single channel. This is for nested bursts, complex burst packets, complex timing needs. It's a super flexible product, so if you have a special timing application, we'd love to hear from you directly. You can go to our website, type in your question on live chat. You can give us a call, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. Again, those custom applications are where we really shine. We like to learn about them. We like to help you with them. If we can't do it with the current firmware, we can perhaps edit the firmware and give you an update. So don't be afraid to talk to us about your custom needs. Again, those are the options, the channel options on the bottom, the system setup on the top. There's a few extra options here like saving screenshots or storing to bins in the software. If you have a setup and you don't want to have to go through it over and over again, save that setup to one of the local storage locations. Here you go save to bin, pick your bin, and then when you come back to your application you can just recall from that bin and everything will set up the way you like it. So there you go. That is the 525 GUI. It's available free on the website. You could even download it before your product arrives so you can begin to familiarize yourself with the settings. It's very easy to use, very small file. And tune in again for another video soon. Thanks again for coming to the Berkeley Nucleonics YouTube channel, and we appreciate working with you directly. Goodbye.